going higher. Wow! Oh wow!
Where are you?
Daddy's got a bubble beard, looking funny, looking weird. Splish splash in the tub, scrub a dub, scrub a dub. Wash the mud and wash away, getting cleaner every day. Mommy helps and Daddy too, keeping clean is what we do. Healthy, happy, bright and free, that's the way we love to be. Play all day, then wash away. We'll be clean at the end of the day. Play all day, then wash away. We'll be clean at the end of the day.
Healthy, hygiene, happy family. Yay, so shiny! We did it!
Subscribe to learn more. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Jumping and giggle, learn, fun, explore. With Learn Dada, you'll love to learn more.